A love story, learning English together. Rahul was a young man from India who had recently moved to London for his studies. He had big dreams, but faced one major challenge: his English was not very strong. Every time he tried to speak, he felt nervous, afraid that people would laugh at his mistakes. One day, during his English language class, he met Emma, a cheerful and intelligent girl from England. She was fluent in English, and always ready to help others. Rahul admired her confidence, but never had the courage to talk to her. One afternoon, after class, Rahul stayed behind to practice speaking. Emma noticed his struggle and approached him. "Hey, do you need some help?" she asked with a warm smile. Rahul hesitated for a moment, then nodded. "Yes, I am not good at English," he said slowly. Emma laughed softly, not to make fun of him but to encourage him. "Don't worry. You are learning, and that's what matters. I can help you if you want." From that day on, Emma and Rahul started meeting every evening in the library. She taught him new words, helped him with pronunciation, and encouraged him to speak without fear. Rahul worked hard, and soon, his English improved. As they spent time together, Rahul realized that he had started liking Emma. But he was unsure if she felt the same. One evening, as they walked in the park, Emma said, "Rahul, I've never met someone as hardworking as you. I love spending time with you." Rahul's heart skipped a beat. Gathering his courage, he said, "Emma, you are my best teacher, and also my best friend. I like you a lot." Emma blushed and smiled. "I like you too, Rahul." From that moment, their friendship turned into love. They continued learning together, not just English, but also about life, culture, and the beauty of understanding each other. Rahul not only became fluent in English, but also found love in a foreign land. And all of it started with a simple, "Hey, do you need some help?"